Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If four parts in the FitGirl update, then follow these steps to update it. Here is the update list. One, two, or update this one, and then update in the row in this way. One, two, three, four, five. I have updated this one right over here, 1.2.3, and after that, the first one I updated 1.2.11.0. After that, the second one I'm going to update it. I have the four pot files right over here, and that's how the update works. You just need to update it in your row. I did updated all the up over here. Now we are going to update this four parts. Just select the four parts and just cut it, and right click on the game and select open file location, and paste the parts we copied. And this is the update parts. Just right click on the part 1 and select WinRAR and select the extract here option. This will extract all the remaining parts as well. And after getting extract done, as you can see, the game name does update. Just double click on it, select more info and select run anyway option and select yes. Select the language and select OK. Select next again. Select the browse option and select the location of the game where you saved and select OK and select next. And select OK option, yes option, and select next, and install. After the update done, you just need to uncheck these option guys and select finish. And now right click on the game application over here and select properties. Go to details. In product version, you can able to see the current version. We updated this one, the second one over here, that has four parts. 1.3 1.3 has been updated successfully, and now launch the game. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem, and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.